To add a tenant, go to the resident management icon at the top. The property or flat numbers are listed down the side, along with the resident numbers for each property, indicating the total number of people allowed to occupy each unit. For example, property number 1 might have tenant 1 and tenant 2. Now, to add a second person to unit number 4, sort by units, find unit 4, and see which user number is free. In this case, it's person 1. To add the new person, click Insert, select Tenant, then select property number 4 and tenant number 1. The ID field is optional, then click Save. After saving, you can capture the person's photo. Start the camera, select when to save the image, and close the capture screen. You won't immediately see the image unless you switch to another user and then back to refresh. Next, capture their fingerprints. Select the Fingerprint tab, click the Scan Fingerprint button, and choose which finger to scan. It's recommended to enroll the 2 index fingers, one from each hand. Place the tenant's finger on the reader 3 times. After the first finger, select New Scan to enroll the second finger in the same way. You can enroll all 10 fingers if you wish, but enrolling 2 should suffice. If there are issues, you can add more fingers. Once done, select Close. Then, go to Clocking Devices, select Assign Devices, and move all 3 devices from left to right either by drag and drop or by clicking the Select All button and the arrow from left to right. You can also select individual devices by holding down the Control key while selecting each device. Once selected, press Apply. You will see that the devices are in place, but they haven't been uploaded yet. To upload the prints to the devices, select Upload to Devices, confirm this action, and also select Upload Prints. A confirmation screen will show that the upload was successful, and at this point, the user should have access.